What do I say? What do I say about this? What do I say about this that hasn't already been said about the wheel? Or sliced bread? All I can say is I got this big package in the mail. So let's see what's inside. Right after we answer this call. Hello? It's finally finished. I had to build it because it came in pieces. So, right behind you is the finished product. Here we go. Look at that. It's beautiful, right? Don't look at that yet. That's next. Decorated it for Christmas too. Uses plastic here, goes in here, comes out here when it prints. And I control it with here, and I use an SD card. Alright, we've got 4 things I've printed so far. This was my very first one. It's a little puppy. I don't know how close you can see it. I shrunk it down with the software because I thought it would be too big, but it's tiny. So then, next I printed one twice as big without the base plate. Can't believe that actually worked. It's so cool. It's so cute. And then I got a software, and those were sample designs that came with the printer. So I got my software and I designed a sphere and tried to print that out. Still has a little stuff on the base because I made supporting structures so it wouldn't roll when it printed, and I never took them off. I could probably just sand those down, but it turned out pretty well. And then, I don't have anyone left with me, but I printed a Lego machine gun or minigun, and it actually fits in a Lego person's hand. This took about an hour to print. It's really cool. Can't wait. I'm going to start designing my own stuff and printing that, and taking other stuff people have designed and start printing those. But all this didn't even use too much plastic to print, so I still have some left. And then I've got whole rolls left. So, can't wait to see what I print next.